In this tutorial, we're going to learn the petal stitch. We'll learn this stitch here on the llama, but you can also do the same type of petal stitch here. As you can see on the fawn, has some uh, little flowers. So we're going to take our needle from the back to the top to the front, going up at the point of the petal. And then we're going to go back in at that same point. But don't pull it all the way through. Don't pull your thread all the way through. Make a loop. And I form my loop around kind of where I want the petal to be. And then I'm going to come back up at the top of the petal like this. And then I'm going to pull away from the loop to form the petal. And now to secure it, you're going to go on the other side of the petal down in. So let's do that again. We're going to come up here and then just go right back down. And then we're going to form our loop. And I'm going to form my loop around where I want that petal. And I'm going to come up at the top. I'm going to pull away from the petal and secure it on the other side of that loop. And let's do this last one. I want to show you how to do the same petal stitch, but doing it on the curved lines of that pink area. And it's the same type of technique, but it's a little bit of a different up and down in the beginning. So I want to take you through that and show you how we do that. So let's get over there with my pink thread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up at one that the curved pieces make when they come together. So let's come up at one point. And then we're going to go back down at the other point, the opposite point, and we're going to make our loop above that curve. And in the middle of that curve, just like on the petal stitch, we're going to come back up and pull in the middle of the loop and pull it away from the loop. Just like this, gently. Don't pull it too tight or you're going to have a weird looking curve. And then go on the other side of the loop and secure that down. So here, let's do a smaller version of that. And that's going up. I'm coming up on the right side here. I'm going to go back down on the left. And then I'm going to make the loop and go in the middle of that curve, coming back up through the middle of the loop, pull away from your loop, and then secure on the other side of the loop thread. Have fun with this stitch. It's a super easy stitch, but it looks difficult. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs, and happy stitching!